Yo, welcome. About to show y'all my college apartment barber setup. That was ass. Oh my god. I'll show you my little haircutting setup and the cuts I did today. The tripod for recording. Get my Instagram content or whatever. My ring light just broke, so I gotta use this, and I gotta use the window. But we got a mirror so they can see the cut coming out as I cut. You know, I'm looking a little rough right now. Got the chair, got from Amazon. It was like $80, but then it was like $80 or it was $50 for shipping. I got another cape, but this one's better. I keep my hair dry right here. Moving on to the fun stuff. These are my go-to clippers. Now I got my guard, my half guard, my one guard, my 1.5 guard, 2 guard. I don't use 2 guard too much. And I use these for when I'm fading to keep the hair in place. My straight edge. And I got my razors, TPLB stuff, you know. Gotta get that affordable stuff. Alright. For the front lineup, I use these right here. Because these Slimline Pros, 0 gapped. So sometimes I put shaving cream first, and then I go ahead and use those because those are real sharp. If they got lighter skin, then it's gonna make it red if I push down too hard. This I use for the bald line and behind the ear because they're not quite as sharp. Balders, these work fine for me. I only use it on like straighter hair clients or light skin mixed clients, maybe. Depends on the hair texture or if they break out. I just did a cut, so everything's a little out of order. I usually keep the hair clips in here, little organizer that I got. These I just have to the side right here. I use this right here for clipper over comb or scissor over comb. These came with the magic clips. I don't really use these. I keep my combs and picks and stuff in here. My wave brush for waivers. I got more picks, they're just not right here. So I'll be using them for myself sometimes. We got the texture powder, pomade for them straight hair clients, cotton balls and stuff. Versatile. Use it for alcohol or if someone's bleeding for some reason. Got the Nairobi foam. I lay the waves down with Nairobi foam. Then I put a wave brush, do-rag, dry it. And then I got some enhancements. They're pretty cheap enhancements right here. In the card. I got a curved one for the C-cups. I don't know where it went. And then I got alcohol or aftershave. I put it in here and just squirt it. I also have this. This is cheap. I don't really like the aftershave I got in it. Kind of trying to use it the rest of it. Got the clipper oil for the blades. Got hair ties for them dreadheads and stuff. Got rubber bands. Got a random mic and stuff. Not really supposed to be there, but don't really care. Neck strips. I don't really be using these unless they got like, because half the time they don't be fitting around their neck. I use this to use the straight edge on the beard, line up the beard. This I use on the hairline sometimes. I haven't been recently though. You know, you need that clipper salve. I might have to get some more. That one's almost empty. I got this. I don't really be using this. I use this for the chair and stuff usually, unless I know it's real clean. Then I'll put it on whoever I'm cutting. I got some leave-in, curl cream. I know Cantu's bad, but whatever. It works for certain hair types. It works. That's just random. That's all the cleaning stuff right here. Make sure it's sanitary. I use this to clean the clippers. This could be used for that too, or oil. I got some barber pencils I don't really be using. I need a tan one. That's what I need. There's like white and brown, but the brown's too dark. The white's too light. Got a mirror, need that. We can see ourselves. Yeah. What else? That's it. Oh, I ain't talking about these. These I got because they was on sale, just like a backup. They kind of work the same as these, kinda. The lever is sticky though. Like, this is just lets you do it freely, however you want. And this one, it clicks and it will stay at a certain thing. Probably better for a beginner. I would say I'm like an intermediate. These are extra guards that came with this. I use the ones that came with the magic clips. I keep these 3 on hand. This is when I'm cutting. This is really all I'm using 80% of the time. And the slim line. So yeah. I ain't talking about. I got another razor holder. It's from Temu. I used to use. I don't really use it no more. I got thinning shears. I don't really use thinning shears too much. I got this normal shears. Some real old shears I don't really use. Yeah, this is a little setup though. Pretty cool. Now I'm gonna show you the cuts I did today. The cuts I'm gonna do today. I already did one. I'm gonna show you that one. And I'm gonna show you the other ones. I think there's like 2 more. I don't know, people be canceling. So I'm gonna do a haircut tutorial. I don't know if I'm gonna do a high taper or a low taper. Cause I did a low taper tutorial, but it was kind of trash. So I'm probably gonna do a new one. It wasn't trash. I don't remember. It was a while ago. I could do a better one now. I'll do both. I don't remember. I usually don't watch them back because it's kind of cringy.
You be narrating too?
Yeah, that's what I was doing. I was like, so this is how you do it. Yeah.
I like it. Appreciate it, Doug. Super dry.
Bro, I'm really like a professional.
Get steady, Doug.
like a professional, bro. It's crazy. You know? He's getting there. Kind of getting long enough for a taster. Yo, I gotta show you this video. Hold on. Bro, I gotta show you this video, bro. Let me put this on.
Some good shit, some good shit. Oh yeah.
I gotta show you this video, bro.
Let's see.
That's
Like cutting off my line. You see how it just goes here and then down. You know what I'm saying? So most people go in.
You don't want it in?
Nah, I don't want it in.
Why?
Just mirror that one.
That, the big one. Tiny shit, tiny shit. Can't even see. Damn, twist out the way. That shit do look real straight. Bro, what is he talking about? Yeah.